Hey, yo, what's happening, y'all? I'm about to show y'all real quick how a regular person like me can, and how you can start printing money this week. Now, the method is TikTok Shop. This right here is a store owner, and he sells print-on-demand hoodies. These are the hoodies, for examples. This right here is the Christian niche. See these hoodies right here? These are print-on-demand, meaning that they don't, make the sweater until somebody purchases it. And where you want to go and make these print-on-demand hoodies is right here, Printify. You go to Printify, and then you add a design. So for an example, over here, you add one of these designs, and if you want more ideas on, how to find cool viral designs, you want to go right here to simply Etsy and just look at their viral shirts and their viral hoodies and their viral designs. So just to stay in alignment with this niche, let's just type in Christian hoodies, and then we can kind of get an example of what's popular, what's popping, what's going viral, what we can model and make better. So you go to Etsy, bop, bop, bing, 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 bom, Christian. It doesn't have to be Christian, whatever niche you like. There you can do the progressive Republican niche. You can do the progressive Democrat niche. You can do the conservative Republican niche. You can do feminism. You can do cat owners, dog owners. You can do civil rights. You can do religious. So many niches. So many. So anyways, just pick one, bro. Look, like right here, it shows how much they sold. Usually you want to keep it over 1,000, even though this one's pretty cool. But anything like this one got 2,300 sales. This one got 5,500. You want to find anything over 1,000 because 1,000 times 23, 23,000. So yeah, look, bro, 15,000, bro, 15,000. So yeah, that's crazy. So yeah, pick a niche. For example, like let's say we wanted to do something like this. We go to Canva and remake it, or we hire a graphic designer on Fiverr to make it. If you don't know what Fiverr is, I'm just gonna show you real quick. But it's a website with freelancers and virtual assistants. You just type in like right here in the search bar, I would just type in like Printify designer or something like that. Just go to Printify designer. Just hire one of these guys. They'll make you a design. Just take a screenshot of this, send it to them on Fiverr, and they'll remake it. And then boom, you got a design. And you go back to Printify. You upload it on Printify, and you connect your Printify to your TikTok shop. You just go to Google. This is how you get on. You just type in on Google. You want to type in something like, let's see, TikTok shop seller account or TikTok shop seller center, something like that. And then if you don't have a store already, go ahead and make it. It takes 15 minutes. It just asks for your information, and then probably like 9 out of 10 times they'll approve it. If they don't approve it, just message customer service and they'll let you know what you did wrong. Boom, right there, click it, go make your store. It takes 15 minutes. And boom, so like let's look at this store right here, bro. Like revenue the last 30 days was 89,000 in sales. 89,000 the last 30 days. I'm gonna show you the numbers. So I put the filters last 30 days. Let me see. This is the last 7 days, last 30 days. Okay, look. The last 30 days, they made almost $3,000 a day, $89,000 in revenue. Items sold, they sold 8,000 units. And also all the data right here, bro, for that store. And just let me show you their products and the videos they make. Just make like cool little so these are their top affiliates. Like this girl right here, Isabel, made $6,000. These are all their top affiliates. And then right here is the shirts. This one hoodie right here, I'm gonna show you, made 33,000 in the last the last 30 days. And then look at all this. They just sell shirts. They sell clothes, shirts, hoodies, sweats, and then yeah, these are examples of the type of sweaters that they make. Like this one, I mean, excuse me, the type of videos they make to sell their hoodies, their merch. This one video made 4,300. I'm going to show you an example of how easy it is to make videos like this. My brother has worn this hoodie 7 days straight. Like, he just recorded somebody, it might be his brother, just walking around with these. With that hood. You can do that, bro. Anybody can do this. It's crazy. But that one video made 4,000. Like, yeah, so like once you make your sweater, your shirt, your hoodie, order yourself a sample and copy all these videos, bro, and you will make sales. And that's how you guarantee to print. I hope you guys like this video, man. If you want, free training, DM me on Instagram. Link is in the description. And man, bro, it's like very simple. Anybody can do this. So let's hop on a call. DM me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.